14 beautiful gray and yellow nurseries. Sweet and sophisticated, this beautiful space designed by Jillian Harris adds definition to a clean white contemporary space with a subtle gray polka dot print and rich mustard yellow accents. A stunning mountain mural sets the scene for this contemporary gray and yellow woodland nursery room from Le Claire Decor. This budget-friendly space, spotted on Divita, offers yet another show-stopping accent wall conjured by the undeniable magic of painter's tape. An inexpensive paper pom-pom focal piece only adds to the room's wow factor. For a fresh and sophisticated take on the gray and yellow trend, try pairing gray with a rich shade of mustard gold as shown here in these simple yet stylish designs spotted on Le Monde Dessous. Simple black and white patterned elements, like those used in this cheery Nordic-inspired nursery from Design Dazzle, are the perfect, no-fail way to punctuate a gray and yellow space without making the design look too busy. From the handcrafted baby mobile and colorful song-inspired wall prints to the gray chevron accent wall featuring a single yellow stripe representing the one and only light of your life, this adorable "You Are My Sunshine" themed nursery, spotted on Pinterest, couldn't be cuter if it tried. A single, unifying shade of bold yellow ties an eclectic assortment of vintage furniture finds together, giving this imaginative gray and yellow, woodland fairytale space from Project Nursery a boost of energy and a rich, cohesive feel. A dark and stormy gray paired with bursts of bright yellow provide the perfect backdrop for this sweet, sun shower-themed space from Our Little Life. A bold pattern area rug in an even bolder shade of yellow makes a dramatic statement in this gray and yellow nursery space spotted on Project Nursery. With its rich and moody gray, energizing pops of citrusy yellow and orange, and one-of-a-kind hand-drawn Sharpie chevron accent wall, this small but mighty space from Preparing for Peanut is a DIY designer's dream. A subtle blue tint boosts the psychological power of this beautiful gray nursery space from Alavelji Designs by lending the anxiety-fighting properties of blue to the soothing elements of gray, creating a sense of calm that balances nicely against the room's energetic yellow accents. Rich navy and sunny yellow set against a light and neutral gray gives this stylish Pinterest find a sweet and preppy palette with lots of pop. Soft textures and pale yellow accents meet bold pattern in this sweet, gray and yellow nursery room from House 36. The result? A totally chic, easy to recreate look that won't break the bank. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.